In this video, I'd like to share with you a very simple approach to using Qigong for healing. Hi, I'm ZHANG, acupuncturist, practitioner of traditional Chinese medicine, and Qigong instructor. One of the main reasons people discover and practice Qigong is to help with healing. Now, there's a lot of different interpretations of what healing means, but from this approach, Qigong can be used for healing. What it can do is it can help the body do what it's naturally going to do. So if your immune system has to work to fight off a pathogen, if your body has to use its energy to repair from an injury, or if you have to bring down inflammation or manage something within our system, our body naturally wants to do this. So this approach to Qigong practice helps encourage the body heal naturally. So we can do this in so many different ways by stimulating all the internal organs, stimulating the meridians, breathing, focusing, using intention, many different ways. And in the Communi Qi, we have a wide variety of practices that approach healing from many different ways. But this practice that we're going to do today is just so simple, it's so natural, and it's actually very instinctive. And I just want to make this video to just encourage you to use it anytime you can. Now imagine this, if you're walking along and you bump your elbow and you hurt yourself, what's the first thing that you would do? You'd probably grab it. You'd probably use a couple of words to express your feelings of the situation, but you probably would hold it. You would probably hold it in a way to kind of soothe the pain, try to protect yourself from further injury, and to try to almost nourish yourself and kind of nurture yourself. So this is the idea of holding what we need to heal. That's the principle behind this approach to practice. If we know something needs a little bit of extra time and attention to repair itself, to heal, to calm down from an injury, all we need to do is hold it. We need to hold it physically, but more importantly, intentionally and energetically. So the way we do this is that we just accumulate our energy very easily, and then we just send that kindness, that nurturing energy, that love, those good wishes to that area. So what we'll do is we'll just do a very simple practice of building up the energy. We'll hold it in the hands and then we'll send it simply where it needs to go. So if you're all ready to begin, just find yourself a comfortable position while you're standing, while you're sitting, even while you're laying down. And just take a few moments just to ground yourself into your body. Just be here in your body right now. Good, now let's begin with the opening exercise. Breathe in as your hands come up and around. Breathe out as your hands come down the center. Breathe in, try to feel like you're filling your body with good, healthy, vibrant energy. Breathing out as your hands are coming down the center. Breathing in, you can slowly lift your body up so you're straight. Breathing out and slightly sinking your weight down. Now, as you do this, imagine with every single breath that you're taking, you're incorporating good, healing, vibrant energy into your body. Now you can assess for yourself, what does that mean to you? Does that mean a healing memory, a relaxing moment that you had, your favorite color, an image? Just take that in as you're breathing. And we'll do 3 more. And as we finish this exercise, start to think about, where does your healing energy need to go? Which part of your body? Which part of your mind? Which part of your emotional being does your energy need to go? Good, and relax. Now rub the hands together, rub the palms together, try to feel some warmth and heat. Feel it in the center of your palms. Now open your hands. You can place your hands upwards, or you can place them outwards. Imagine you're standing in front of a bright golden sun. And you're taking in that warmth into your hands. Feel your hands getting warmer, brighter, and more vibrant. Feel as if you're holding that warmth and healing energy in your hands. Breathe deeply and naturally. Let that warmth accumulate into your hands. And take a big in-breath. And as you breathe out, bring your hands to your body, maybe to the area where you feel that energy needs to be taken to. Which part of your body do you need that healing? Allow that warmth and energy to flow there. And just breathe deeply and naturally for a few minutes. Release any tension, any worries, any excessive emotions that are unnecessary from your body and your mind. And just allow yourself to feel just a little bit better. Allow that warmth and that healing energy that you accumulated from around you to go exactly where it needs to go. And take a big in-breath. And breathe out. And relax the hands. And you're all done. You can use this simple practice anytime you have a little bit of time and mental space to send that energy to yourself. Healing is multifaceted. We need many different things. We need all interventions possible. But allowing ourselves to really feel what we're feeling and give ourselves that time, attention, and nurturing energy is all part of the healing process. So give yourself that time and energy that you need. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again. If you've enjoyed this style of Qigong, please come join the Communi Qi for a wide variety of Qigong routines that's ideal for beginners or if you already have some experience. The Communi Qi has convenient, simple Qigong practices that are safe, gentle, and effective to help you feel healthy and full of vitality. Come join us today. If you haven't already, be sure to sign up for our newsletter in the link below so we can notify you when we release new YouTube videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.